y'all, welcome back to Out of the Box. My name is Kezia and today I'm opening up my packages from 707 Street. Seven oh seven Street knows that all customers are different in their own way, and they offer a variety of options for you to display your uniqueness in fashion sense and personality. You can purchase exclusives that you cannot find anywhere else. So y'all, I saw 707 Street on Facebook, and so I was waiting for this one Loungefly to come out that they were selling. And so I said I have to have that. And I'm going to Disney in a few months. And so now that I have it and another one and a few more, I don't know which one I'm going to use. But let's open up our packages and see what we got. If I can find my scissors. So anyway, y'all, yes, I do have a few Loungeflies myself. I don't have a lot, like I've seen some people on TikTok, but I do have a few of them that I feel match my personality best or that coincide with some of my favorite Disney movies. Let's see. Oh, cute. They have a little thank you card. And y'all, you can connect with them on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So don't forget to look up 707 Street on these platforms, and I'll link them down below in the description. Okay. Pink. Oh my gosh. Only I did not find in there. I did not find a receipt. I guess it's just the receipt that you get on via email. So let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh my gosh! Yo! Look at this! Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, let me take that. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's pink. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Now this one I know of is the Minnie Mouse Strawberry Macaron. And it's only exclusive, like I said, to the 707 Street Club. So, y'all, like I said, it's, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's pink. And those little buttons, they're little Minnie and Mickey Mouses. Oh my gosh. That is so gorgeous. I love it so much. So, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, and this one. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what it is. Okay, this one is the Loungefly Daisy Minnie Mouse Backpack Elegance. So anyway, let's open it up, shall we? Oh my gosh. Look at that color. Okay, it's a little more blue in the camera, but it's a little bit more green looking at it with your naked eye. But this is so cute. Oh my gosh, a little white bow. Oh my gosh. How precious. And it has the little Minnie Mouses. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Yes, I was expecting a little bit more blue color that I saw on the site, but this is very, very cute too. This greenish color. This is so cute. Yes, y'all. So, like I said, the color variation is different, but especially with this one. Not with this one, but with this one it is. Like I said, it looks a little bit more blue in the camera, but it's a little bit more green when you look at it. But it's still super, super cute. Oh my gosh. Now I have to figure out which one I am going to wear to Disney when I go. Do not forget to get your exclusive Loungeflies on 707 Street online. The link is down below in the description. Also, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next unboxing. Bye!